friends, it's me, Larry, here at the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome. So today we're going to have some more painting mayhem. I'm not 100% sure what we're going to do, but that's always the most fun kind of painting, and if you're not having fun, you are doing it wrong. So I've got all my colors here. I'm going to go to the other camera, I'm going to show them off, and then we're going to pause the video for a couple of seconds while I mix my cup up, and then we'll go and come to the canvas and make something. Here we are. So this is cadmium green. Am I in frame?
You're fine.
Okay, cadmium green, white, violet. This is a mixture of ultramarine blue and phthalo green. This is a mixture of bronze and copper metallics. This, I believe, is called Old Gold. This is pewter, another metallic. Phthalo blue, it's got a little something in there, but that'll be okay.
We can mix it.
And this is metallic red. So now we can pause and I will mix my colors up here and
Oh, I like that.
welcome back. And I'm going to borrow a little something from Olga Sobi here. I've got a hidden message to put into my canvas here. It says, "Be you." It's a reminder to me to have a little silliness while I'm doing this and have a lot of fun with it. And I think somebody else out there needs to hear that too. So if that happens to be you, here you go. So I've got my cup here. We're all layered up. I got a whole bunch of thin layers on here. It's going to be, I don't know what it's going to be. Let's find out. You ready, wife?
I'm ready.
Time to pick this thing up and see what we're going to come up with. And with that, I'm going to call this a finished painting. So, if you like what you see here, leave me a comment. If there's something you'd like me to try next, leave me a comment. And please like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out a lot. I appreciate every one of you watching today, and be sure to stop by for our next exciting episode.